guys, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today's video is the October Ipsy bag review. I love getting my Ipsy bag every month, and once again I did use the products in today's look to kind of show you what I think rather than just showing you everything that I got in the bag. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so this is what the October Ipsy bag looks like. It's just red and then it has this mask on it. Once again, Ipsy is a monthly subscription. It is $10 a month and you get 5 beauty samples. You can fill out a profile online and kind of specify what you prefer and that kind of thing, which I highly recommend doing. Also, another thing that I want to mention is each month, make sure to review your Ipsy bag. I just have the app on my phone, and then you get points whenever you review your bag, and then after a certain amount of points, you can pick through a few different samples, and then you get an additional sample. I believe I did that last month, and that's how I got the additional eyeshadow. So I really recommend that. So that's something that's super easy to do, doesn't take much time, and also it kind of lets them know what you prefer and kind of what you're looking for as well. So I definitely recommend doing that. So I have used most of these products before, so it's not necessarily a first impressions, but I just kind of have no chill whenever it comes to makeup. Like, I have to at least swatch it as soon as I get it. I mean, what can I say? I really like makeup. I think first I'm going to put eyeshadow on. So as you can tell, I have most of my face makeup on, but I did get the first product that I will show you is this Pixie eyeshadow duo. I really like these colors. I'm really excited to use this. I know I at least swatched these, and I believe I have used them maybe a little bit. Maybe I just swatched them because, as I said, you know, I have no chill. I can't wait. What can I say? I'm just gonna do a simple eye look. The sun is also starting to kind of set because we're at that weird time of the year. So I hope that that's not too distracting throughout the video, but we will see. I already have my eyes primed with, once again, you guessed it, the Smashbox 24-Hour Shadow Primer. So I'm just going to take this Sigma E34 brush and take this color right here. Do these have names? Well, the duo is called Plum Lace, but anyway, I'm just gonna take this and put it on my outer corner. So yeah, outer corner, kind of like a V. I really like plum eyeshadows, so of course I was excited to see that I got this. And also Pixie is a pretty good brand as well, so I would say I was pretty pleased with getting that in my Ipsy. Seem to go on very well, very good as well. They're not patchy or anything like that. I think it's really pretty. The formula seems to be good. Just blend that out a little bit. And then I'm going to take this E52 and I'm gonna take this color right here all over the lid. I'm gonna see how it looks like without being wet, but I might want it to look a little bit more foiled. It is pretty, but I kind of want to take it up a notch and kind of see what it looks like whenever I spray the brush with All Nighter setting spray, and see how it looks then. Yeah, just more foiled. So honestly, it looks good without being wet, but I kind of like how it looks now. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit more on the outer corner. Usually I do the same thing to both eyes at a time, but apparently I just got carried away. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this other eye now. I am now going to take this brush right here and then just smudge this plum shade on my lower lash line. And I don't go all the way to my inner corner. That's just preference. So yeah, that's it for the eyeshadows. Very simple look. Obviously it's only, 2 shades. I think that this would be really good to travel with. And from what I can tell, I really like the formula. I think that it blended really nicely and the colors obviously go together really well. So I really like that. And I'm now going to curl my lashes because once again, I got a mascara. And that is one of the things that I've actually not tried yet, which you will see because plastic is still all around it, so let me take that off. Or can I? So I've not tried this mascara yet, and it doesn't have a specific name. It looks like it's from the brand Glamour Dolls. The tube looks like this, and then it's just in the shade black. I'll show you what the brush looks like. It's kind of interesting. Okay, looks like, yeah, it's really short on this side, and then, or it looks like it's shorter on this side and then longer on the other side, so that is interesting. The wand seems to be pretty, whoa, that's super, do you see that? Did I just flick mascara? Probably. The wand is super flimsy, which honestly, I kind of don't like that. I'm just gonna be honest. At least, I don't think that I like it right off the bat, but let's see how it applies. Because I don't know, with the wand being flimsy, it just seems like you wouldn't be able to coat your lashes as well, which is kind of what I'm getting. Maybe if I try to use the other side. Right now, it looks like it's gonna be a very wearable eyelash look, which is personally, oh my gosh, why did I do that? Which personally, I like my lashes to be really, really big and full. I've mentioned that several times, but if you prefer more natural looking lashes, you might really like this mascara. So I'm just going to apply and get my lashes as big as possible. Okay, so this mascara is a big thumbs down for me. Like, I just got mascara up here, so try to ignore that because I don't feel like actually wiping that off. Anyway, this is as big as I could get. Like this, it added absolutely, I don't think it added any length or hardly any at all. Normally my lashes don't really have a problem holding curl, but at least my right eye they're like clumped together, but it's just a no. Next, I have something to show you that is a little bit better. It is this lip color right here. It is by the brand Oriza Beauty. It does not have a shade. Oh wait, the shade is Opus. And I really like this because it is a maroon color, as you can see, hopefully somewhat. And as I've mentioned several times before, I really like the color, like maroon. It's actually not, it's like a cross between maroon and just a deep red, which is a good shade for the fall going into winter. I have already tried this and I really like it because it's opaque. The lip color that I got last month is really pretty, but it was just a little too sheer for me. It was, I mean, you could build it up, but it just didn't seem to last as long. Maybe with a good lip liner, it would do a little bit better, but I do like this better than the lip color that I got last month. Yeah, I just got mascara on my eyelid. I'm sorry, I can't with this mascara. So I'm going to put that lip color on and just ignore the fact that my eye is kind of messed up because I don't feel like fixing it right now, to be completely honest. So that is what the lipstick looks like. I really, really like it. I didn't use a lip liner, but you could, but I think that this is a really moisturizing formula and I definitely will use this again. Next up, I got a blush, and actually I already have it on, but it is this Morphe blush in the shade Spirit, and it's this really, really pretty mauve. I was really happy to get this because this is actually a really decent size as well. So I really, really like this. I have used this a few times already, and I like the formula. I like the consistency. As I mentioned already, it is on my cheeks right now. So what I'm trying to say is the formula is very buildable. It could be more sheer if you just want to blend it out more, but I just kind of wanted it to stand out a little bit more today. So I really like this blush. This is a thumbs up for me. And then lastly, once again, I got another skincare item. This month's was a blackhead removal mask. It looks like this. It's by the brand, it just says peel off mask. But anyway, but yeah, the tube looks like this. You actually get a decent size. You get 30 milliliters. I used this last night and it was like pretty good. I think that I got my pores really, really clear for sure. Ooh. Okay, cool, I didn't make a mess. But anyway, and then it just dries and you peel it off. So it's kind of an interesting experience. But yeah, those are my 5 products. I really enjoyed 4 of them, but the mascara, I'm sorry, I just can't. Actually, before filming this video, I did update my profile, and I think I unclicked the mascara little option because I have gotten mascaras in the past 3 months in a row, and I think I kind of know the mascaras that I like, and at least for now I kind of want to take a break on getting mascaras, so hopefully they kind of see that and listen to me there with my quiz information. That's another good thing, is you can update your profile as you go. I've had Ipsy for almost 2 years, so I've, you know, once you get like a lot of one certain item, like for example, I've gotten a few mascaras and then also eyeshadows as well. I did go through a period of where I got a lot of eyeshadows, and then you can just kind of switch out what you're interested in. So that's kind of like a tip that I would recommend doing. But yeah, that completes today's video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you want, you can also subscribe. And if you subscribe, I would recommend hitting the bell notification so that way you get notified whenever I post. I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.